என் பொண்ணோட லைஃப்ல மிகப்பெரிய டேர்னிங் பாயிண்ட்னா இவளை நான் சிஎஸ்சில டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிக்க வச்சதான்.
எஸ், எங்க இன்டர்வியூ போனாலும் வேல்யூபிள் சர்டிபிகேட்ஸ் இருக்கான்னு கேட்பாங்க. ஆனா நான் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி படிச்சேன். அதான் ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிச்சேன்.
நீங்களும் சிஎஸ்சில ஜிஎஸ்டியோட டாலி கோர்ஸ் படிங்க, ஈஸியா ஜாப் பிடிங்க.
CSE, largest tally authorized institute.
Welcome back to this channel. Today I am going to solve problems on circle of curvature. Right? Already we discussed about the circle of curvature in my first video. Right? So today I am going to explain very shortly about what is circle of curvature. Okay? Right? Consider a graph x. Consider a graph and let us consider a function y equal to f of x. Let us take this curve v y equal to f of x. Consider this curve is continuous and differentiable at each and every point on the curve. Okay, so that means differentiable exists at each and every point on the curve. Okay, right? I want to find out the circle of curvature at this point. Okay, I want to find out the circle of curvature at this point. Then what we will do, right? So at this point is on the curve y equal to f of x. Through the point, I draw a straight line, that is tangent. Through the point, I can draw a tangent to the curve. Okay, right? Through that point, I can draw tangent to the curve. Okay, right? We have a formula to find the radius of curvature for y equal to f. What is that formula? Rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square to the whole power 3 by 2 by y2 is the basic formula to find the radius of curvature when the given curve is in the form of y equal to f of x. Okay, this is the formula. Through this formula, we can find out the radius of curvature. Okay, right? Suppose the radius of curvature may be 2 units or 2 centimeter like that. Okay, right? Draw a inward normal. Inward normal is a normal perpendicular to the curve through inside the curve. Okay, right? How to draw that curve? How to draw that inward normal? The P is the point, is the common to the curve and the tangent, isn't it? Right? Draw a perpendicular through P to the tangent. Draw a perpendicular to the tangent through the point P. Okay, at a distance of rho. Already we find out rho. Okay, right? Maybe between it just 2 centimeter. Here you can like it. Okay, we take that radius of curvature be 2 centimeter. Okay, right? So at the end point you can get a point. At the end of this inward normal, you can get a point. Let us take that point be C x bar comma y bar. That is called the center of curvature. We have a formula to find the center of curvature already. What is the formula to find the center of curvature? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. And also y bar. What is y bar? Y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. Using these two formulas, we can find the coordinates of the center of curvature. Okay, this C is called the center of curvature. Using the center and taking this radius, we can draw a circle. That circle is called the circle of curvature. That circle is called the circle of curvature. We are going to find out the circle of curvature, how to solve the problems related to circle of curvature. That means how to find the circle of curvature for a given point on the curve y equal to f of x. We have a formula for circle of curvature. Equation of circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square is equal to rho square. This is the formula to find the equation of circle of curvature. Right? Okay, x bar y bar is the center of curvature and rho is the radius of curvature. So using these three formulas, find out these three values and substitute here, you can get the circle of curvature. Okay, so let us go to solve a simple problem related to circle of curvature. Right? Let us start with the simple problem. Already I discussed in the first video. You can say that. Just I explained shortly, very shortly one. Okay, right? Find the circle of curvature. Find the circle of curvature for the curve y equal to x square at the origin. Okay, so very simple problem. Let us start with the simple problem. Circle of curvature for this curve y equal to x square at the origin. Right? Y equal to x square. It's a parabola, isn't it? Power of x is even. It is symmetrical about y axis. So it is like that. Okay. So y equal to x square. This graph is not necessary for your examination point of view. That's I draw this graph only for your understanding purpose. Okay, right? So what is the given curve? Y equal to x square, right? Differentiate, taking derivative with respect to x. Y becomes y1. Okay, it will be 2x. Right? We are going to find out the curvature at the origin. Origin is nothing but 0, 0. We are going to find out the curvature at the origin 0, 0. So right, so y1 at 0, 0 is equal to 2 into 0, that is equal to 0. Then again differentiate y1 with respect to x, it become y2. y2 is 2. So y2 at the origin 0, 0 is 2. So y1 is 0 and y2 is 2. Using these two values, we can find out rho by applying this formula y1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus 0 the whole square power 3 by 2 by 2. Right? 1 plus 0 square the whole power 3 by 2 by, that is equal to 1 by 2. So rho is equal to 1 by 2. What is x bar? What is the formula to find the x bar? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to, what is x? Already this is the value of x, this is the value of y. We are going to find out circle of curvature at this point. So we have to take the first quantity as x, y is 0 here. So x equal to 0 minus what is y1, we obtain 0. So 0 into anything, entire the term will be 0. So 0 minus 0, the value will be 0. So x bar is equal to 0. And then y bar is obtained by y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to y is 0. Okay. Plus 1 plus y1 square is 0 by y2 is 2. So that is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, y bar is equal to 1 by 2. What is the equation of circle of curvature? Equation of circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. Right? So what is x bar? That is 0. So x minus 0 the whole square plus y minus y bar is 1 by 2 the whole square equal to rho is also 1 by 2. Right? The whole square. Right? That is 1 by 4. X square plus y minus 1 by 2 the whole square. Right? So what is circle of, what is the center of curvature we obtained? X bar comma y bar. C is x bar is 0, y bar is 1 by 2 and radius is 1 by 2. So draw a circle with center at 0, 1 by 2. It may be here. C 0, 1 by 2 and taking the radius as 1 by 2. Here draw a circle using the center and radius, you can get it. Okay, that's all. This is called the circle of curvature. We find out this equation here. X square plus y minus 1 by 2 the whole square is equal to 1 by 4 is the equation of this circle. This circle is called the circle of curvature to the curve y equal to x square at the point origin. Okay, that's all for the first problem. Next. Second problem, find the circle of curvature of y equal to of y square is equal to 12x at the point 3, 6. Find the radius of curvature of y square is equal to 12x. Again, it's a parabola. We are going to find out the circle of curvature at the point 3, 6. Solution. So, what is the given curve? Y square is equal to 12x, isn't it? Right. So, differentiate with respect to x. So, y square becomes 2y into y becomes y1 equal to 12x becomes 12 into 1, that is 12. So, therefore, what is y1? y1 equal to 12 by 2y, that is equal to 6 by y, right? So, y1 at the point 3, 6 is equal to what? 6 by, what is the value of y here? 6. 6 by 6, it is equal to 1. So, value of y1 is 1. So, I write it here, value of y1 is equal to 1. And then differentiate. What is y1 here? I rewrite it as y1 here. y1 is 6 by y. Again, differentiate with respect to x. So y1 becomes y2. That is equal to here. Y is in the denominator. Applying 1 by exponential formula. So what is the derivative of 1 by x? Minus 1 by x square. Same like that. What is the derivative of 1 by y? 6 into minus 1 by y square into what is the derivative of y? y1. Right? So that is equal to minus 6 y1 by y square is the value of y2. So applying the value of y2 at the point 3, 6 is equal to minus 6 into what is y1? Already we find out it is 1. y1 value of y1 is 1, already we find out. Right? Substitute here. What is y square? What is the value of y? This is the value of x and this is the value of y. So y at the point, value of y at the point is 6. So 6 square. Right? That's all. So that is minus 1 by 6. This is the value of y2. So what is y2? Minus 1 by 6. Right? Using that 2 value, I can find out the value of rho. Now, using these two, I am going to find out the value of rho and then x bar and then y bar and then finally equation of x. Okay? Right. Then, now, what is rho? 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus, what is y1? What is y1? 1. 1 square will become 1. So 1 power 3 by 2 by y2 is minus 1 by 6. That is equal to 2 power 3 by 2. This denominator 1 minus 1 by 6 into reciprocal multiplication of 6 by minus 1. This 2 power 3 by 2 can become 2 root 2 into minus 6. That is equal to minus 12 root 2 is the value of rho. Rho, since rho is a positive quantity, so we have to take the positive value alone. So 12 root 2 is the value of radius of curvature. So radius of curvature is 12 root 2. Now I am going to find out x bar and y bar through the formula. X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. What is that value? What is x? X is 3. Right? So 3 minus, what is the value of y1? 1 into 1 plus 1 square is 1 by y2. y2 is minus 1 by 6. That's all. So 3, this minus becomes plus 1 plus 1, 2. 1 into 2, 2 into this 1 by 6 becomes 6. Okay. This division becomes reciprocal multiplication. So 6 by 1, that can be written as 6. This minus together with this minus, it will become plus. So what is the value? 12. So 3 plus 3, 2 6 are 12. So that is equal to 15. So value of x bar is 15. And then what is the value of y bar? Y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to y, value of y at the point is 6. So 6 plus 1 plus y1 square. What is y1? 1 square is 1 by y2 minus 1 by 6. Right? This can be written as 6 plus 1 plus 1 2 into 6 by minus 1. That is equal to 6 minus 12. That is equal to minus 6. So y bar is equal to minus 6. Right? So I find out radius of curvature rho, x bar and y bar. Then you can directly go for the formula for circle of curvature. What is circle of curvature? Equation of circle of curvature is what is the formula for that? X minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square is equal to rho square. Substitute all these three values here, you can get the answer. So x minus x bar is 15 the whole square plus y minus y bar is minus 6. So minus minus will become plus 6 the whole square is equal to rho is 12 root 2 the whole square. What is this value? 12 square is 144 into root 2 square will become 2. And 144 into 2, 288. So x minus 15 the whole square plus y plus 6 the whole square. So what is center? X bar comma y bar. Center of curvature is 15 comma minus 6. Okay, that's all for this problem. This is the equation of circle of curvature of this curve y equal to 12x at the point 3 comma 6. That's all. Thank you. Next one. Find the circle of curvature of x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Sorry. Equal to 2 at the point 2 comma 3. Okay. Right. Already we can take this formula as implicit function. Okay, we can treat this as an implicit function x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 2. Okay, so directly we are going to differentiate with respect to x based on the implicit function. It's not an implicit function. We can separate x and y into one side and x into another side. Okay, so it's not an implicit function, but we can treat this as implicit function. As usual, what we are going to differentiate for implicit function. Right? So differentiate this with respect to x. So 2x square becomes 2x by 4 plus y square becomes 2y by 9 into y. Derivative of y becomes y1 equal to 0. Right? So therefore 2y by 9 into y1 equal to minus 2x by 4. I am taking this 2x by 4 into right hand side. Right? So therefore, what is the value of y1? y1 is equal to minus 2 by 4 into 9 by 2 into x by y. Is it right? This 9 goes to the numerator and this 2 goes to the denominator, and x is already in the right hand side and this y goes to the denominator. Right? So we can cancel this 2 with this 2. So what is y1? y1 equal to minus 9 by 4 into x by y. Right? So, what is the value of y1 at the point 2 comma 3? That is equal to minus 9 by 4 into what is x at the point 2? 2 by y at the point is 3. Right? So, strike out that 3 with this 9, it will be 3, this 2 with this 4, this 2. So, minus 3 by 2. So, value of y1, what is the value of y1 at the point 2 comma 3 on the curve? y1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next, you go for finding y2 by differentiating this with respect to x once again. So differentiate this with respect to x, it will become y1 become y2 equal to minus 9 by 4 is constant, we keep it outside. Applying u by v rule in between the two. The denominator square, keep the denominator and the derivative of the numerator. Derivative of the numerator is x, derivative is 1. minus keep the numerator and derivative of the denominator. What is the derivative of the denominator? Y is here. So derivative of y is y1 by denominator square. That's all. That is equal to minus 9 by 4 into y minus x y1 by y square. Now what is the value of y2 at 2 comma 3? That is equal to y2 at 2 comma 3 is equal to minus 9 by 4 into what is the value of y? Y is 3 minus x into y1. What is x? 2 into what is the value of y1? Y1 is already we find out minus 3 by 2 by y square. What is y? 3. 3 square. Right? Right. Simplified. That is equal to minus 9 by 4 into 3. This minus minus will become plus. This 2 is cancelled with this 2. So 3 plus 3, the whole divided by 3 square becomes 9. That is equal to, we cancel this 9 with this 9. Right? So minus 3 plus 3, 6 inside the bracket. So 6 is inside the bracket by 4. That is equal to minus 3 by 2 is the value of y2. So minus 3 by 2. y2 is also 3 by 2. Right? And then we go for finding value of row x bar and y bar as usually. What is the value of row? 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus y1 square of the y1. So it will be 9 by 4. I write it directly to the power 3 by 2. What is by 2 again? The same 3 by 2. And that is equal to, take LCM in the numerator, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 by 4 in the power 3 by 2 into this denominator becomes reciprocal multiplication 2 by minus 3. That is equal to, how to simplify this power 3 by 2, 13 by 3 to the power 3 by 2. That can be written as 13 by 4 into root 13 by 4 into minus 2 by 3. Isn't it? Right. 13 by 4 into, this can be written as 13 by value of root 4 is 2 into minus 2 by 3. We can strike out this 2 with this. Right? That's all. Right? What is the value? That is equal to new 13 into root 13 is in the denominator. So minus is also there. So 13 root 13 by 4 3s are 12. So what is row? Positive value of 13 root 13 by 12 is this. So this is the value of row. Right? 13 root 13 by 2. So 13 into root 13 by 12 is the radius of curvature of this curve at the point 2 comma 3. Then we go for finding x bar and y bar. What is x bar? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. The value of x at the point is 2. So 2 minus, what is y1? Minus 3 by 2 into 1 plus y1 square. Square of this value, it becomes 9 by 4. This divided by y2. What is the value of y2? The same as 3 by 2. We can cancel this 3 by 2 with the 3 by 2. Right? So 2 minus of, taking LCM inside the bracket, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 by 4. So taking LCM as 4, so 8 minus 13. That is equal to what? Minus 5 by 4 is the value of x bar. Okay? So minus 5 by 4 is the value of x bar. And then, what is the value of y bar? Y bar is equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to, what is the value of y at the point? 3. So 3 plus 1 plus y1 square is 9 by 4 divided by y2 minus 3 by 2. So 3, this plus into minus becomes minus, 3 by 2 becomes reciprocal multiplication 2 by 3, right? Into, what is the value of the numerator? 1 plus 9 by 4, taking LCM as 4, so 4 plus 9, 13 by 4, okay? That's all. I strike out this 2 with this 4, so 3 minus 13 by 6, that is equal to taking LCM as 6, so 18 minus 13. That is equal to 5 by 6 is the value of y bar. So y bar is 5 by 6. So what is the center of curvature? Therefore C x bar comma y bar is equal to C. What is x bar? Minus 5 by 4 comma y bar is plus 5 by 6. So minus 5 by 4 comma right? So equation of circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square is equal to rho square. So x minus, what is the value of x bar? Minus 5 by 4. So it will become plus 5 by 4 the whole square plus y minus y bar is 5 by 6 the whole square equal to rho is 13 root 13 by 12 the whole square, that is equal to 13 square by 12 square into 13. Taking square of this root 13, square will be eliminated, so 13 is here. Okay, 12 square, sorry, 13 square by 12 square. So this is the value of, this is the equation of circle of curvature of this curve at the point 2, 3. That's all. Right? Find the equation of circle of curvature of xy equal to c square at the point c, c. Okay. Xy equal to c square. Next problem. Right? So what is this? It's a rectangular hyperbola, right? Xy equal to c square. So I make this equation into y equal to f of x form by taking this x into right hand side. So y is equal to c square by x. Now it is in the form of y equal to some function of x. Okay, right? Call this equation number 1. Differentiate 1 with respect to x. Y becomes y1 c square into 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So y1, that is the value of minus c square by x square. Therefore y1. So therefore y1 at the point c, c is equal to minus c square by value of x at the point is c. So c square. So that is equal to minus 1. So value of y1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. And then to find y2, differentiate this y1 with respect to x once again. So y1 becomes y2 equal to, again the denominator is around x, so we can apply 1 by exponent formula. So minus c square into minus n by x to the power n plus 1, right? 1 by x power n. What is the derivative of 1 by x power n? Minus n by x to the power n plus 1. Here n is 3. So here n is, here n is 2. So minus 2 by x power 2 plus 1 3. Minus 2 by x cube. I write it here. So that is equal to 2c square by x cube is the value of y2. So value of y2 at the point c, c is equal to, is obtained by 2c square by replacing this x by c. So c cube, that is the, we can strike out the c square with the c cube. So denominator, c is in the denominator. So 2 by c is the value of y2 at the point c, c. So y1 is minus 1 and y2 is 2 by c. y2 is 2 by c. So okay, so after finding out these two, we can go for finding the remaining 3 values and substitute it in equation of circle of curvature formula. You can get the answer. Okay, right? So rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square the whole power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus y1 square. Y1 is minus 1. Square of minus 1 become plus 1. The whole power 3 by 2 by, what is y2? 2 by c. So that is equal to 1 plus 1, 2, 2 power 3 by 2, 2 power 3 by 2 into, this becomes reciprocal multiplication. So c by root 2. What is the value of 2 power 3 by 2? 2 root 2 into c by 2. You can cancel that 2 with 2. That is equal to c into root 2 is the value of rho at that point c comma c. So value of rho is c into root 2. And then what is the value of x bar? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to what is the value of x at the point c comma c? C minus what is y1? Minus 1 into 1 plus y1 square minus 1 square becomes plus 1 by y2. y2 is 2 by c. Therefore, that is equal to c. This minus minus becomes plus 1 plus 1, 2 by 2 by c. This becomes reciprocal multiplication. So it becomes 2c by 2. You can cancel that 2 with 2. So c plus c, that is equal to 2c is the value of x bar. Okay, and then go for finding y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. What is the value of y at the point c? Plus 1 plus y1 square, again 1 by y2 is 2 by c. That is equal to c plus 1 plus 1, 2 into c by 2, reciprocal multiplication. Again, you can cancel both of the two. C plus 2, c plus c, it is 2c. That is also the value of y bar. Y bar is also 2c. So what is the center? C is x bar comma y bar, 2c comma 2c is the center of curvature. Okay. So after finding out these three, we go for finding equation of circle of curvature. So what is the equation of circle of curvature? Equation of circle of curvature is what? X minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. So x minus, what is x bar? 2c the whole square plus y minus y bar is also 2c the whole square is equal to rho is c root 2, c into root 2 the whole square. Squaring it, root 2 square will be 2. Square of c is c square, 2c square. So x minus 2c the whole square plus y minus 2c the whole square is the equation of circle of curvature to this curve xy equal to c square at the point c comma c. That's all. Same like that, find the radius of curvature of xy is equal to 12 at the point 3 comma 4, right? Same like that in the previous problem. This is also in the form of xy equal to 12. So this is not in the y equal to f of x form. So to make it into that form, we take this x into right hand side. So now it is in the form of y equal to f of x. Right? Now we can go for finding y1 by taking differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so y becomes y1. So 12 into minus 1 by x square, that is equal to minus 12 by x square. What is the value of y1 at the point 3 comma 4? That is equal to minus 12 by value of x is 3, so 3 square. So that is equal to minus 12 by 9, that is equal to minus 4 by 3 is the value of y1. So minus 4 by 3 is the value of y1 at the point. What is y2? Again differentiating this y1 with respect to x, you can get y2. So y2 is equal to minus 12 into derivative of 1 by x square. Again apply 1 by x power n formula, minus n by x to the power n plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to 24 by x cube. So value of y2 at the point 3 comma 4 is equal to 24 by x cube is, x is 3, x cube is 3 cube. 3 cube. What is this value? 24 by 27, that is equal to 8 by 9 is the value of y2. Right? It is 8 by 9. Then what is rho? 1 1 plus y1 square the power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus, what is y1 square? Square of this value minus 4 by 3. Square will become 16 by 9. The whole power 3 by 2 by y2, 8 by 9. So this can be done taking LCM inside the bracket on the numerator. So 9 plus 16, 25 by 9. 25 by 9 to the power 3 by 2 into this 8 by 9 becomes reciprocal multiplication. So 9 by 8. What is this value? 25 by 9 into root 25 by 9 into 9 by 8. So that is equal to 25 by 9 into what is the root of 25? The value is 5 by root 9 is 3 into 9 by 8. You can strike out the 9 with 9 and then that's all. Right? So what is remaining in the numerator? 25 into 5, 125 by what is remaining in the denominator? 3 8s are 24. That is the value of row 125 by 24. Right. Then what is x bar? X bar is equal to x minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. So what is the value of x? It is 3. So 3 minus y1 is minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3 into 1 plus y1 square. Square of this value is 16 by 9. Divided by y2 is 8 by 9. That is equal to 3. This minus becomes plus 4 by 3 into taking LCM inside the bracket 9 plus 16 25 by 9 into this 8 by 9 becomes reciprocal multiplication, so 9 by 8, that's all. So we cancel this 9 with 9, this 4 with this 8, it becomes 2. So that is equal to 3 plus 25 by 3 2s are 6. Isn't it? That's all. So taking LCM, 6 as LCM, so 18 plus 25. So 45, 53. 53 by 6 is the value of x bar. Sorry, 18 plus 25, isn't it? 35, 43, isn't it? 25, 35, 43. 43 by 6 is the value of x bar. And then, what is y bar? Y bar equal to y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. What is the value of y? 4 plus 1 plus y1 square. Y1 square is 16 by 9. 16 by 9, I write it directly by y2 is 8 by 9, right? So 4 plus simplify this in the numerator, 9 plus 16, 25 by 9 into this becomes reciprocal multiplication, 9 by 8. So 9 cancel each other, 4 plus 25 by 8. So taking 8 as LCM, 32 plus 25. So how much is 32? 52, 57, isn't it? 57 by 8 is the value of y bar. Okay. So after find out all three, what is center of curvature? X bar comma y bar is 43 by 6 comma 57 by 8. So using these three value, equation of circle of curvature, x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square is equal to rho square. So x minus x bar is 43 by 6 the whole square plus y minus y bar is 57 by 8 the whole square is equal to rho. Rho is 125 by 24 the whole square. No need to simplify this. Okay. This is the equation of circle of curvature of the curve xy equal to 12 at the point 3, 4. That's all. Find the circle of curvature of root x plus root y equal to root a at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. Right? So solution. So what is the given equation? Root x plus root y equal to root a. So first of all, I make this equation into y equal to f of x form and then go for finding y1, y2 values and then proceed it like that. Okay, right? So first I am taking, first I am keeping y in the left hand side by taking root x into right hand side. So root a minus root x. This root x goes to the numerator, so it will become root a minus root x. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Okay? So what is the square of root y? Y is equal to root a minus root x the whole square. Now it is of the form a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b? A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Isn't it? That's all. Always it is number. Now this is in the form of y equal to f of x. Okay, right? Now we can find out y1 and y2 from this equation, right? By taking differentiating with respect to x, right? Differentiate 1 with respect to x, y becomes y1 equal to a becomes 0 plus x become 1 minus 2 into root a into, what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. We can cancel that root x with root x. So 1 minus root a by root x is the value of y1. So what is the value of y1 at the point a by 4 comma a by 4? That is equal to 1 minus root a by root of a by 4. That is equal to 1 minus root a into, this becomes root 4 by a. That is equal to 1 minus root a into 2 by root a. We can cancel this root a with root a. 1 minus 2, that is equal to minus 1. So value of y1 is minus 1. Right? How to find the value of y2? How to find the value of y2? By taking differentiation of y1 with respect to x once again. So y2 is equal to, differentiate this one with respect to x once again. This 1 becomes 0, minus root a is constant. What is the derivative of 1 by root x? 1 by minus 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 is the direct value of 1 by root x. 1 by root x. This is the power 1 by 2, isn't it? Root x can be written as 1 by x to the power 1 by 2. Isn't it? We can apply 1 by exponent formula for derivative of 1 by exponent, right? So minus n by x to the power n plus 1. So minus 1 by, these two come to the denominator, x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So value of the derivative of 1 by root x is minus 1 by 2 into x power 3 by 2. I write it directly here. Okay, just keep it into your mind. That's all. So minus minus becomes plus root a by 2 into x power 3 by 2 is the value of y2. Now we are going to find out the value of y2 at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. So what is the value of y2 at the point a by 4 comma a by 4 is equal to root a by, what is this value? Root a by 2 into x power 3 by 2 can be written as x into root x, isn't it? So 2 into, what is the value of x? A by 4 into root x, again root of a by 4. That is equal to what? You can cancel this 2 with this 4. So root a by 2 into root a by 2, right? Root a by root of 4 is 2. That's all. Taking reciprocal multiplication, root a into a by 2 becomes 2 by a, and then this root a by 2 becomes 2 by root a, isn't it? So this root a cancel either. So 4 by a is the value of y2. And 4 by a. Right? That's all. Then what is the value of rho? So rho is equal to 1 plus y1 square power 3 by 2 by y2. That is equal to 1 plus, what is the value of y1? Minus 1. Square of minus 1 is plus 1. So I write it directly 3 by 2 by, what is the value of y2? 4 by a. Right? So that is equal to, that is the value of 2 power 3 by 2. That can be written as 2 into root 2. Right? So 4 by a can be written as a by 4, reciprocal multiplication. So these two cancel with these two, 4, so it becomes 2. So we can cancel this root 2 with these two, so root 2. So the value is a by root 2. Right? This is the value of rho at the point, a by root 2. Right? Next one, x bar. What is x bar? X minus y1 into 1 plus y1 square by y2. That is equal to, what is x? A by 4 at the point. Okay. Minus y1 is minus 1 into 1 plus y1 square minus 1 square becomes plus 1 by y2. Y2 is 4 by a. How to simplify this? A by 4. This minus minus becomes plus 1 plus 1 2 into 4 by a becomes a by 4. So we can, no need to cancel this. Okay. So taking 4 as LCM, a plus 2a, isn't it? That is equal to 3a by 4 is the value of x bar. So 3a by 4 is the value of x bar. And then y bar. What is y bar? Y plus 1 plus y1 square by y2. So what is the value of y at the point a by 4 plus 1 plus y1. y1 is minus 1, the square by y2, 4 by a. Isn't it? Square of y1 is plus 1. So a by 4 plus 2 into a by 4. That is equal to a by, so taking 4 as LCM, a plus 2 into a, 2a. That is equal to 3a by 4 is the value of y bar. Right? So what is the value of y bar? That's also 3a by 4. What is the center of curvature? C. X bar comma y bar is equal to C. 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4. Right? Center of curvature x bar comma y bar is equal to C. 3a by 4 comma 3a by 4. Right? Therefore, equation of circle of curvature is x minus x bar the whole square plus y minus y bar the whole square equal to rho square. So x minus, what is x bar? 3a by 4 the whole square plus y minus y bar, that's also same as 3a by 4 equal to rho square a by root to the whole square, that is equal to a square by 2 x minus 3a by 4 the whole square plus y minus 3a by 4 the whole square. This is the equation of circle of curvature for the curve root x plus root 2 equal to root a at the point a by 4 comma a by 4. That's all. Find the equation of circle of curvature of root x plus root y equal to 1 at the point 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. Okay. Right. How to solve this problem? Same like that of the previous problem, just by taking the value of a is equal to 1. Right? What we have done in the previous problem? Circle of curvature of this curve at a by 4 comma a by 4, isn't it? By taking a is equal to 1, what you will get? Root x plus root y equal to root 1, that is equal to 1, isn't it? You can get this same curve, right? At the point by taking a is equal to 1, so it will become 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. So do it as usually based on the same previous problem, right? Find out the value of y1, y2, etc. like that, right? What is the y1? Value of y1, it is minus 1, same like that of the previous one. What is y2? By taking a as 1, so you will get y2 as 4. By taking a is equal to 1, so you will get the value of y2 as 4. By taking a is equal to 1, you will get the value of rho is 1 by root 2. And then x bar is equal to, by taking a is 1, 3 by 4, and y bar is also 3 by 4. Center of curvature is 3 by 4 comma 3 by 4. And then equation of circle of curvature is x minus 3 by 4 the whole square plus y minus 3 by 4 the whole square equal to 1 by root 2 the whole square is the equation of circle of curvature to this curve at the point. You can try it yourself, okay, right? Proceed the same problem as usually, right? You can find out y1, y2 and rho x bar, y bar, and then center of curvature and then circle. You try it yourself, okay, right?